friends, I'm Rasna. Welcome to Rasna Bakes e-learning. Let's create some fabulous cakes together. Today we are making a very popular preschool animated series called Peppa Pig with her little brother George. To start with, we require Peppa's and George printout. We cut them out into stencils. Now, starting with Peppa, we roll out a red fondant to stencil cut the dress for Peppa as shown. Now we roll out some light pink fondant for the face. Place the stencil and shape it out. Now place it by putting both the stencils together and match it. For the eyes, roll out white fondant between your thumb and index finger and stick it as shown. Complete the eyes by placing the black fondant. Next, we go for the rosy cheeks. Take a tiny ball of dark pink fondant and stick it using your index finger. Peppa's favorite pink smile comes on. For the pretty tiny ears, we roll the light pink fondant into tiny cones and press them flat. Now work out for the snout and make the nostrils using the modeling tool as shown. Stick the ears too. For the Peppa's piggy tail, roll out thin rope and twist it around the wooden stick and set it aside to get a curled tail. Next, we get on to the arms. Roll out the thin rope of fondant and cut it into half. Now, using your knife, shape out the fingers. In the same way, do the legs. If you're jumping in muddy puddles, Peppa must wear her boots. For the yellow boots, roll out some yellow fondant and curl it into L shape. Press it using your index finger and trim them, making it into a perfect pair of boots. Now getting on with the little George. His favorite color is bright blue. Shape it out in the same way as shown. Peppa Pig is a lovable little pig. She loves to take care of her little brother George. They both love to jump up and down in muddy puddles, laughing and making loud snorting noises. Shape out some balloons in different colors. For that, take some fondant and shape it into a cone and press it to form a balloon. Now, stick a small ball of fondant using a modeling tool to complete the balloon. Take out some alphabets using the silicone mat to write the name and age. For the muddy puddle, roll out some brown fondant. Using your flower cutter, cut it out and stretch it further. Shape some puddle splashes too. Now take some white fondant, roll it out and make some clouds using your cloud cutters. For small clouds, use a flower cutter and roll it out. Now make some colorful flowers using the flower cutter. With the help of the ball tool, give a raised look to the flowers as shown. Now getting on to the grass, roll out some green fondant and cut tall grasses using the pizza cutter. And curl them from the tip as shown. Now I am coloring the white fondant using the blue gel color. Now this will be used to make the sky for the cake. Your cake is going to get divided into two colors, the blue sky and the green grass. Now roll out the colored blue and white fondant and trim the side. Using the rolling pin, place it on the cake and trim the edges. Now we place the tall grasses and the flowers on the cake. The clouds take their place on the sky. The next goes the puddle for the pig. Now goes up next is Peppa and the pink balloon carrying the number. Place the other balloons too as shown. Let's roll out some puddle for George too. Do not forget to put the splashes on. The curled piggy tail is well set. Cut the required amount and place it. Now spread the flowers. Using the whipped cream, the white whipped cream, strings of the balloons are made. Peppa is holding the number balloon and George holds the name balloons. Our colorful Peppa and George cake is now ready.